How to customize text fonts on Microsoft Edge browser. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Microsoft Edge browser. Now go to the top corner, click on those three dots and go down, click on settings right here. After you click on settings, it will take you directly to this page. Now all what you have to do is simple. Just go right here to appearance and click. Now scroll down until you find this fonts option and go to customize fonts. Now right here choose any font you want, as you can see, and it will be applied to your browser. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching until the end.